This smart home appliance will definitely let everyone enjoy a relaxed life by helping to have a pleasant home life experience. Welcome back guys to the best place for latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity Technology, and in today's video we are going to talk about Shellbot SL60 smart robot vacuum cleaner having strong suction power of 4000 pascals, which can effectively vacuum and mop at the same time. The SL60 comes in standard size heavy packaging. Let's have a quick look inside the box and check all the accessories. This is the duster component, side brushes, the vacuum cleaner itself, a packet containing quick start guide, instruction manual, and another quick start guide for application, dust tank, remote control with batteries, charging dock which is to be placed against the wall keeping 0.5 meters of space on both left and right side. Then comes the power adapter, cleaning tool to clean sensor and remove hair from brush and dust filter, and extra mopping pad. The 2-in-1 water tank is already attached to the base of the vacuum cleaner. You can easily attach the respective accessory according to the type of cleaning you want. The color, the design, and overall build quality of Shellbot SL60 is pretty amazing. On the top we have power and home keys. This bulge portion holds the new generation LiDAR navigation system. At the bottom we can see the set of wheels, side brushes, main brush which is very easy to install and remove and has to be cleaned time to time. These are the smart AI object recognition sensors that will accurately avoid any kind of obstacle and helps to integrate the vacuuming and sweeping functions efficiently. Availability of light won't affect the working of the vacuum cleaner because of the smart LiDAR navigation system that works in bright and dark room as well. This smart vacuum cleaner has a special feature that it can vacuum and mop at the same time. For this, you need to use 2-in-1 water tank. The tank can store up to 260 milliliters of water and has a different dust collection unit. In this way, water can be filled in the tank. If you want to mop, then you just need to add the mopping bracket. The mop cloth is washable and it gets attached to the bottom by Velcro. However, if you want the robot to vacuum your house, use the separate dust tank having massive capacity of 500 milliliters. You can also wash the filter net and again use it after it gets completely dried. The charging base connects the robot to Wi-Fi and leads to communication with the app on your phone. You can download the app by scanning the QR code available in the quick start guide for the application. You will be asked to create your account. After the account is created, you will be able to connect your robot with the app. Select your Wi-Fi network, add the password, and it gets connected. Once the connection is done, you can start mapping the house. That helps vacuum to know the area of cleaning. Also, the cleaning progress of vacuum cleaner can be checked here. The app is loaded with features and is very easy to use. With the app, you can select the different cleaning modes. Tap on normal cleaning, tap on the brush for vacuuming, tap on brush with water drop for vacuuming and mopping at the same time, and tap here for only mopping. Suction power can also be adjusted from quiet to turbo mode. Water volume allows you to change the water flow according to the required cleaning condition. We can select the custom settings for each room. Different setting of cleaning mode, suction power, and water level can be adjusted according to the different rooms. We can set the no mop zone as well as create an virtual wall for the robot so it won't go there. Recognition sensors recognize the objects, makes maps accordingly, and cleans the area around the object. We can do the cleanup records, schedule the cleaning. The mopping mode can be changed from S shape to Y shape according to the requirement. We can do the carpet settings. In consumable statistics, we are able to see which component needs to be cleaned or replaced to ensure the best performance of the vacuum cleaner. Performance of Shellbot SL60 is very impressive. 5200 mAh of battery assures 200 minutes of cleaning at a time, and if it in case it doesn't cleanse the area completely and battery gets drained in between, then after charging, it will resume cleaning from the same place automatically. Robot can also be controlled by a voice with the help of Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa applications. So this was all about Shellbot SL60 smart robot vacuum cleaner. I hope you like this video, and if so, do hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and do let us know in the comments down below which was the feature that has attracted you the most. This is Enoylity Technology, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.